Step 2 preparation. Step 2 preparation of 4 amino diethyl amino pentane. We prepared 4 promo 1 diethyl amino pentane. So, what is step 3? The condensation of step 1 and step 2 product. We have to condense. What? Step 1, it is 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. It is condensed with 4 promo 1 diethyl amino pentane. Condensation reaction, it will produce eliminated hydrogen bromide. We are getting that pharmaquine, that is the 8,4 diethyl amino 1 methyl butyl amino 6 methoxyquinoline. So in this next primaquine. Primaquine, it is the primaquine, it is the structure of primaquine. It is 8 here also methoxy group it is there. So 8 4 amino 1 methyl butyl amino 6 methoxyquinoline. So already we have discussed pharmaquine, primaquine and pentaquine. What is the, if OH group it is necessary, it is not necessary for the antimalarial activity, but when it is replacing OCH3 by OC2H5, that is ethoxy, the compound become less active and toxic in nature. So the here next the halogens we are introducing means it will increases the toxicity. If you are substituting the methyl group means it will be a inactive compound. So next the, what is that, branched chain, that is side chain means it will be a pentaquine, it is less activity. So this is a branched chain. Primaquine and pharmaquine, it is the branched chain. So next let's move to the synthesis of primaquine. Primaquine, it is the first step 1, it is preparation of 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. Already we prepared, that is you refer that pharmaquine. Next step 2, it is the condensation of 4 chloropentylamine 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. So here what is the primaquine? First step 1, it is the preparation of 8 amino methoxyquinoline. We refer pharmaquine. Next step 2, it is the condensation of 4 chloropentylamine with 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline, that is the 4 chloropentylamine starting compound. It is condensed with 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. So it is condensed, elimination of hydrogen chloride. We are getting that primaquine. Okay, 8 4 amino 1 methyl butyl amino 6 methoxyquinoline, that is primaquine. Next synthesis of primaquine, another method 2, it is synthesis of primaquine. Method 2, this is 1,4-dipromopentane, it is the compound. It is condensed with potassium thalamide. So elimination, it is potassium thalamide, potassium bromide, it is eliminated after condensation, which is producing 4 promo 1 toluene pentane, that it is condensed with 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. That 4 promo 1 toluene pentane, it is condensed with 8 amino 6 methoxyquinoline. It undergoes it is eliminated, again condensation reaction, elimination of what is that, hydrogen bromide, it is eliminated. So after hydrolysis we are getting primaquine, which is formation of primaquine. This is next 9 amino acridine. 9 amino acridine, it is structure 9 amino acridine, it is the derivative of 9 amino acridine. It is the structure name, it is mepocrine or quinacrine. Mepocrine or quinacrine acridine. So this is the 9 amino acridine. It is formed when an additional benzene ring is fused with the pyridine ring of quinoline nucleus. So acridin is overall, what it is students, acridin is formed when an additional benzene ring is fused with the pyridine ring of quinoline nucleus. Okay. So acridin is overall aromatic, though having nitrogen. Okay. So the first it is quinoline, next that is benzene. So this is mepacrine quinacrine structure. Mepacrine quinacrine structure. Mepacrine quinacrine structure. So this is 9 amino acridine. It is has amino group at C, carbon 9. Next position, it is a green fluorescent dye. In the past, the compound was used as an antiseptic for treating wounds and infections. So what is the various types of acridin were synthesized? Acridin has weak antiseptic, antibacterial activity. The side chain 2 amino 5 diethyl amino pentane is introduced at the carbon 9th position. The compound becomes anti-malarial. So when methoxy at position 2, chlorine at 6, which are introduced, quinacrine. In this structure, quinacrine. So second position methoxy and sixth position chlorine. So which is responsible for anti-malarial activity. So quinacrine was the first synthetic agent that was used before quinolines. So when methoxy is shifted to position 6 and chlorine to second, interchanged, loss of antimalarial activity. So when methoxy is replaced by ethoxy, toxicity is increased. When methoxy is rotated to any other position, 1, 1, 3 or 4, then it will be a 50% activity is lost. When chlorine is replaced with other halogens, there is successive loss of activity. So side chain 2 amino 5 ethyl amino pentane has no antimalarial activity, but when attached to aromatic system, the compound became anti-malarial. So when at position 1, N is introduced, azagraine, which has good antimalarial activity and rapid onset of action. So synthesis of 9 amino acridine. Step 1, it is the preparation of 4 amino 1 diethyl amino pentane. Refer chloroquine synthesis. Already previous class we have discussed. That is step 1. Step 2, it is the preparation of 3,9 dichloro 7 methoxy acridine. Going to see that 3,9 dichloro 7 methoxy acridine synthesis. First, so 2,4 dichlorotoluene undergoes oxidation in the presence of potassium permanganate. 2,4 dichlorobenzoic acid, it is produced. Methyl, it is alkyl converted to oxidation acid. So it is condensed with para-methoxy aniline. What it is happening? Elimination of hydrogen chloride. So 4-chloro 2,4-methoxy anilino benzoic acid derivative we are getting. So again it undergoes cyclization. 3,9 dichloro 7 methoxy acridine produced. So this is the next step 3, condensation of step 1 and step 2. So the compound it is 4-chloropentylamine. It is condensed with 3,9-chloro 7 methoxy acridine. Condensation after elimination of hydrogen chloride, which is producing the mepacrine. That is, this is the IUPAC name of mepacrine or quinacrine, common name. The 3-chloro-9,4 diethyl amino 1 methyl butyl amino 7 methoxy acridine, it is the IUPAC name. So the uses of acridine, we can treating erythrocytic stage of malaria. It was used in treating black water fever and also anthelmintic activity against intestinal parasites. Eliminated slowly, it have the side effects. It is eliminated slowly. Also it is having the side effects.